The benefits of coconut for diet and weight loss have been researched and recognized in an article published by the Journal of Ceylon Medical in 2006. The contents say that coconut, which is processed into oil, is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, fat that promotes weight loss, and will encourage metabolism in the body if consumed regularly. What are the benefits of coconut for the diet? 1. Increase metabolism. Apart from helping to increase the body's metabolism, coconut, which is processed into oil, can reduce hunger, which is effective in the body, compared to other types of oil. That way, the calorie intake that the body needs is not too much. As a result, apart from being able to lose weight, the fat contained in raw coconut is also useful for healthy weight gain. 2. Coconut meat as a good source of fiber. When compared to fiber sources such as wheat, in fact there is more fiber in coconuts. At least, there are about 5 grams of fiber in 2 tablespoons of coconut meat. Meanwhile, coconut, which is processed into flour, in one small package there is about 7 grams of fiber, and half a cup of coconut meat contains 10 grams of fiber. It's different if you compare it to coconut oil. Of course, there is no fiber in the medium-chain triglycerides. Stages of running a coconut diet. 1. The first stage, trying to lose weight from the first to the end of the coconut diet. It will last a month. Every day, you can divide the mandatory meal portions 3 times a day, and 2 light meals. Use coconut meat or its oil as one of your food ingredients. Abstinence, avoid fruit, whole grains, and sugar intake. Its function is to help regulate blood sugar so that weight can be reduced. Don't forget, too, to spend 15 minutes doing exercise, so that the maximum diet results. 2. The second stage, cleanse digestion. During the second phase of the diet, this diet will recommend that you consume a cleansing drink by blending vegetables, wheat, a source of fiber, and blending refined raw coconut oil. In addition, you also have to compensate by drinking lots of water. Its function is to clean the digestive organs. You are also required to eat nutritious foods, such as nuts, vegetables and fish, and keep exercising at least 15 minutes per day. 3. The third stage, eat healthy carbohydrates. Once you reach phase 3, you can start adding whole grains and carbohydrate vegetables, such as potatoes, to your diet. Fruits, such as apples, grapes, melons, and peaches, you can consume. Likewise with milk and yogurt, but remember, in moderation, not too much. 4. Finally, maintain a diet. At this last stage, if there is a change in weight loss, you can maintain a diet. But remember, you still have to avoid foods that contain sugar, alcohol, and some fruits such as bananas, for example. Keep exercising for at least 15 minutes a day to make this coconut diet even more effective. That's our tips. That's all for our video. Don't forget to help us like and subscribe.